In this video, we will show you how to hide your follower on Instagram. To hide your follower on Instagram, there is two methods. First, you can block the person that you don't share your follower, okay? And the second, you can make your account is private. Okay? In this video, we will show you how to make your account is private, because if you want to just block the person, it's very easy. Okay? To make your account private, just click this menu on your Instagram, okay, and select account privacy here, and you need to enable the private account. Okay, you can see only your follower will be able to see your photos and videos. Also, your follower not become a public, so not anyone cannot see your follower with this method. Just click switch to private. Okay, this is the second options, and the easiest way you can also block the people. For example, just type the people. For example, you block this person, just click this and select block like this, so the specific people cannot see your follower with this method. Okay, and that's all tutorial how you can hide your follower on Instagram. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.